Welcome back here with us on Times Now. And attention foodies, this news is for you. Next time you plan to order from Zomato, just pause and think before you confirm that order. Zomato, the food delivery platform, has now decided to share your data with restaurants. Now, as per Zomato, it's going to share your data like your phone number with restaurants from where you order food. Zomato says only the customers' phone numbers will be shared, that too if customers provide their consent. So let's explain to you, in fact, why this is really happening. Let's take you through what will be shared and why. So what kind of data is going to be shared? It's going to be your phone numbers that will be shared with the restaurants from where you order food. What do restaurants want? Restaurants want to know who is ordering, how often do you order, and most importantly, what kind of food you like to order, and that too repeatedly. Now the question is, why do eateries really want something like this? Want this kind of data from you? Because according to them, this will help them match their promotional offers with what interests you as a customer. And then the question is, what about consent? What about me? What about, the point if I as a customer do not want to share that data? Then Zomato says the data will be shared with the restaurants only if you agree. Only if you say yes, that's when the data is going to be shared. But
it is good because if someone took a number from either one, then it will be a coincidence will be there. That's why the personal one is very good.
मोबाइल नंबर शेयर करने से कोई मिसयूज भी हो सकता है, जैसा कोई बैंक का साथ अपना जो मोबाइल से बात करता है उसमें बैंक का साथ भी शेयर होता है, होना नहीं चाहिए. विदाउट कंसेंट होना नहीं चाहिए.
वो काफ़ी अच्छा स्टेप है बिकॉज अभी हमारा जो नंबर है वो बहुत जल्दी शेयर हो जाता है ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे, और जो कि मिसयूज हो सकता है. तो अगर इस तरीके का स्टेप लिया जा रहा है तो इट वुड बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस.
And viewers, this clearly has raised privacy concerns as well. Several people on social media have written that this opens the door to privacy risks. Clearly, this is something that not many are happy with. We'll, of course, be tracking this closely ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very short break.